Hey, welcome everyone. This is Jenkins Locks, and I'm Don. Just wanted to do a quick video here of something I was doing for my own channel. And you guys may have seen this. I always see that little subscribe button in the bottom right-hand corner. So I'm looking at it. A lot of people want to charge you money for it. Or if you're handy with the Google search, you can find a free one. But then I got to thinking, well, that's like what everyone else has. What if I want something a little different? So did some tinkering around, and I'm going to use this as a template. And I've got my image here, no background, because I want it to be transparent. I don't want to, intrude on the video too much. I'm going to go here and go a new one. I don't know why 1250 seemed to work out the best for me. 600 DPI resolution, or pixels, just because I like high resolution photos. We're going to create that. Come back over here, copy our logo. Now it took me a couple times to get the logo the right size for this. You could color your background. Something like that. I actually don't want a background on mine, so I'm going to delete that layer. Going to move this. Let's do that. Actually, let's go black. Okay. Now I'm going to put some text on there. And if one of you out there could tell me in the comments below why every time I do a text box in Photoshop, it comes up with all this writing in there. I don't know. It'd be nice just to have a blank box. So now let's make it pop a little bit. And let's center it. And let's give it a little pizzazz. Come over here. There we go. Let's go to stroke. Let's pick a color. Yeah. Okay. Leave it as is. Gonna reduce the line a little bit. Now I'm going to save this as a PNG file. Okay. I'm going to switch over to a YouTube channel here. Go to Studio. Once you're in Studio, you want to go to Customization, and then Basic Info. Oh, I'm sorry, Branding. So we're going to change this. Nope, you know what? I bet you I got a prompt over here. Yep. Helps if you pay attention. There we go. So, like I said, I don't know why 1250 by 1250 just works. Okay. Now you have a couple options here. You can have this display only at the end of the video. You can do it through the entire video. I like to give it a couple seconds into the video before it pops up. So we're going to publish. Go to channel. Mute. And see there, a few seconds in, there's our custom subscribe. So, hope you guys enjoyed this. Hope you get something out of it. If you do, please consider that like and subscribe buttons below, just so I know to make more content. And, comment below what else you want to see. Alright, appreciate it, guys.